Hello, my name is Neil and I'm part of the OpenNebula team. In this video, we will be going over the new WHMCS module for OpenNebula, which was released alongside Enterprise Edition 6.2. If you're not already aware, WHMCS is a configurable and customizable portal for you to automate the sales of your cloud resources with minimal effort beyond the initial configuration of your products. During the course of this, we'll go over what the module adds by going through the features. First, we'll set up a server connection to our OpenNebula front end. Once that's established, we'll go on and create a couple of products, making sure we assign quotas and access control. We'll register for a new user and proceed to purchase a product, and return to the administrative view of WHMCS to go over how the orders are processed. I'll give a brief introduction of our module for WHMCS, which stands for Web Hosting Management Complete Solution. It's an all-in-one solution for managing and automating billing and client management. You'll find that there are many features in WHMCS which can be valuable to your business model. I've got the documentation pulled up here, which goes over the installation and basic configuration of the module. We'll be going over what the module looks like once it's installed for WHMCS, how to get started with products, and how the automation works to accelerate the sales process of your cloud resources. The installation process is fairly simple, as seen here in the documentation. I'm going to start by showing off some capabilities the module adds to your WHMCS installation. First off, there's a new server type added, which is how WHMCS will connect to your OpenNebula front end. You'll simply add a new server, select the module type, and fill out the credentials for the admin user on your cloud. Once that's connected, we'll need to create some products. With the WHMCS tenants module, the products are going to be user accounts with quotas and access restriction for a specific amount of cloud resources. And first here, we'll need to create a product group. And in this form, we can select a template, which is how your clients will see the group, as well as define a name. Once we have that, we'll be able to create a product. And from here, we'll select the group the product is a part of, then define the product name. We'll also have to define which module this product is going to be part of. And then if we want the clients to be able to see the product, we'll have to not create it as hidden. Now we can set the default resources for the product. Here we'll just put some sample values in these fields here. We'll do for 2 IP addresses, 4 gigs of RAM, and 2 CPUs. We'll also modify the access control list and remove image access for this product. Additionally, we can simply enable and configure metric billing for any of these resources. Here we'll make 1 IP address for free and then charge extra for any extra. We'll do the same thing with the vCPUs, as well as enable those. And once that's all set up, we can also choose whether we'll automatically create the product as soon as the payment is received, or if we want to accept the order. And then some additional things to look for is the upgrades here, where we can choose a product to upgrade to or from. Once we save the changes, now we have 2 products here where we can upgrade from silver to gold. And then we'll see what it's looked like from the user's side of things. The user will be able to register an account from the client area WHMCS here. Once the user is created, they'll be able to browse and add products to their cart. If you set it to automatically create after payment, then the account will be automatically created. However, in this example, since I've set the product to be created only after manual approval, we'll need to go approve the order after this form is completed. Here you can see the metric values there. We'll check this out, and we'll complete this order. Then we can see the order confirmation number. We can go look at the client area, and since this needs to be manually approved, you'll see there's still no services. We'll navigate to the admin area of WHMCS again, and we'll go look at the pending orders. From this page, you'll see all the pending orders, as well as who they're from, be able to approve or deny. See this password field, it's automatically generated, but you can change it to your user. And if you accept the order, it'll take a few seconds, and it'll create the user in OpenNebula for us. Now, if we go back to the client page and log in as the user, we'll see that their product now shows active, and we can see our packages available here. If we go into here, we can see there's a username that's given to them, and if we go to log in, we can use that username as well as a password from their email to log in as them. And we can see their quotas here are available in the landing page that they get. Now let's take a quick look at this from the administrative side of OpenNebula. And from here, we can open up the users page and we can see that our new user here has been created, and we can look and see it as quotas. We can also check the ACL entries and notice there's new entries here for this user. And that should kind of give you an idea of what the WHMCS module can do for you, as well as some guidance on how it works and how to get started. There's a lot of customization that can be done from your WHMCS to make the store look like your own and provide a seamless experience for you and your customers. Thank you for your time.